Good day, everyone. My name is Arvin Joshua D. Tina,
And my name is Luwel J. S. Esperon.
and we will be introducing to you our project entitled
Basic
Basic
Electrical
Electrical
Circuit
Circuit
Trainer.
Trainer.
So let me tell you first about the important parts of the trainer, movable board. So we have here the first one, wheels. So the purpose of the wheels is for us to easily carry the trainer from one place to another.
And also we have the cleat joints. The cleat joints is to easily attach and detach the modules in the board.
So for the last one here, we have the cabinet. So the cabinet serve as the storage and also to secure modules. So just like this.
Speaking about the module, the trainer is made up of various types, which is we have the circuit breaker, light bulb, switch, power transformer, capacitor, moderator, and of course, DC bulbs, outlet, three-way switch, and lastly, of course, we have the banana plug.
All of these modules can be easily assembled based on the required activity. Also, since it has a clip joint, this, um, we can also replace and rearrange the modules easily. So just like this, and we can put that here on the board.
I think we all have already discussed with you the trainer's details.
So it is about time for us to demonstrate the simple electrical activity using the modules.
In continuation with this video, I am Novi Mabuyao
And I'm Ramsito Edu.
and we will discuss and demonstrate to you how this module works.
So first is the basic circuit. Today we have module. We need this module. This is first is the circuit breaker. Then we have the three load module, and also we also need this banana
Banana
plug.
plug.
First we get one banana plug. Then we put this in the AC outlet number one, and it is connect into the AC input number one of our switch. Or and then next is we get this another one banana plug. We put it in outlet number two of our circuit breaker, and put all the other side we put it in the input number one of our bulb. Then we need a short banana plug to connect our input number two of our bulb and input number two of our switch. Then for this, we need to test our circuit breaker if it is safety. We need this test, and with this tester, we need to go to 10K. First is off our circuit breaker. Then we put our tester in the plug, positive and the negative. Don't connect the tester. Then we need to on our circuit breaker, and we have you can see they move, which means we have our lamp here in our circuit breaker. And if you off this our switch, so now we can go to test our circuit breaker. We need to put this negative and positive, and then the arrow is moving, and if you switch on, the arrow moving forward, and then if you off, it turn back. And so now our project is complete and safety. So now we can go, we can turn on our lights. We need our socket. And so now we continue. We have to unplug our circuit. We have to plug our circuit breaker. And then first is we have to turn on our circuit breaker. This lamp indicates that our circuit breaker is have a power. And then we need to turn on our switch. And now that's our basic circuit. So now let's proceed to parallel circuit. First is we need to turn off our circuit breaker. And then unplug our circuit breaker. And now we need also one banana plug, and then we put this in AC input of our lamp. And then connect it into input number one of our lamp in other side of module. And another one in the input number two of our lamp, and then in our input number two of our lamp in other side. So now we can test again if it is work. Now if it tests, they have no power, then turn off our circuit breaker. If you see, our arrow is moving, and then because of this lamp, that's why our arrow is moving. Then we turn on this, the arrow is moving forward. If you turn off, the arrow is moving back. So now our circuit breaker is safety. And then let's go to turn on our lights. So up turn off always our circuit breaker for our safety. And then plug it in outlet. And now we turn on now our circuit breaker. So that's why this lamp is indicating our circuit breaker as a power. And today you'll see we turn on our lights. So that's our parallel circuit. And then if you want to use one more lamp, same procedure. Turn off the circuit breaker and unplug the circuit breaker. Then we need just another one banana plug, and we put this in the input number one of our lamp, and the other side in our input number two of our module load tray. Then another banana plug in our input number one goes into input number two of load number three. And we need to test again. Positive and negative also. Okay. We need to on our circuit breaker. And then our switch. And our circuit breaker is have a power. And then we need to test. Off muna. And then we have to turn on our circuit breaker and turn on our switch. It is also a parallel circuit. So now we have discussed for you the basic and the parallel circuit. And the next video, we show you our DC circuit.
In continuation with this video, I am Giacomo Galucci, and I will discuss and demonstrate to you how this DC circuit module works. First, let's check this if the circuit breaker is off or on. So it's off. And then we will put the banana plug in the outlet 1 into the power transmission. Okay. Next is the red one. Put here in here. So let's try to put power to the our DC bulb. First, we'll get this. To this. Next, so here's the first bulb that we will give lights on. So let's try. Try to switch on circuit breaker. So the lights is on, which indicates the power has give. Just try to give. So this is DC bulb on. Let's try to add more bulbs. So first, let's off first the power source, and then just try move this one portion to the next and add banana plug. Let's try to on. Let's try more. Just move one portion and add. That's it.
So, in continuation of this video, I am Brian Angelo Gogenes and I will discuss to you on how to make a three-way switch. So, first we need to make sure that we turn off our circuit breaker, and then we need to use some banana plug to connect our switches. So, first we need to connect outlet 1 and our input 2. Next is we will connect the outlet 2 and our three-way switch input. Next is we will connect the input to in our switch to. And then we will connect input B and C or vice versa. So now let's try if this will work. So first we need to turn on our circuit breaker. And then we will turn off the lights using the switch. So now we will try if this will work. So as you can see, it is working, and let's try to use another switch if it will turn off. So that's it, guys. You can use either of the switch in order to turn on the lights. That's it.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, go. So we already discussed the different
activities in electricity. So um, we also have here an extra module. So in terms of extra activities or advanced activities, we can use extra modules. So that's all. And
So
Jake?
that's all for today. Always bear in mind that before we do some simple electrical um, activities, we always have to bear in mind the safety first. This has been Jay.
And I am Arvin Joshua.
I am Mark Dominic Judy.
I'm Jeta Morgan.
I am Brian Angelo Godinez.
Thank you so much for watching this video.